Hello, my name is Chris Pakula and I created this little video to present you the RCS chatbot for Netsfere Secure Messaging. So RCS chatbot needs to start with the invitation. The invitation can be sent from the web page, and in this case I have opened the web page which will be able to send the invitation on my mobile, and the address to the web page is netsfereagentappspot.com. From this web page I can send invitation to any mobile, but in this case I will be sending the invitation to myself. Of course, the mobile which will be receiving this invitation must be RCS capable. So let me submit the phone number which will be receiving the invitation. I will hit the submit key. And in this moment, my phone received the invitation to the chat. Right now, we are seeing the very first screen, initial screen which chat is receiving after the invitation is being sent. So this screen is presenting with 4 options when we can continue our dialogue, and of course we can also type in manually any question. But let's start with hitting the keys which showed up on the screen. First one is about Netsfere, and the chatbot will respond with some basic information. What is Netsfere? Also, we have the key Contact Sales, and if we select it, it will give us the choice to select which geographic locations we want to choose. Let's say it will be Asia and Middle East, and this is the phone number to our Asia office. Because with the other keys we can go back to that screen which is showing the America, Asia and Europe geographic location. We can also select America, and the screen looks similar. We have also option to hit the Call Us, and the phone immediately goes to the phone mode and we can execute this phone call. The info key directs us immediately to the web page where is all our contact information for Netsfere product. Also, we can select office locations which will list on the screen 4 office locations in 4 different cities worldwide. Chicago is our headquarters, so it will show the address, and again we can call the phone number on this address. We can go to info, which shows the same information on the web, but in this case we can even see this address on the map. Go back. Oops. Also, we can select the office in Munich, and it has exactly the same features. It allows to call this office or see that office on the map. And also we can scroll back and select Bangalore office, or we can scroll back and select Singapore office. And it works exactly the same way. We can call this office, or we can see that office on the map. Also, if we don't know what question to ask, we can ask for the help. And in this case, the chatbot will present us with much more elaborate menu where we can follow any of the links to our Netsfere web pages regarding our products or regarding our plans and pricing. Also, in which industries Netsfere is used, our resources, how to contact us on the web, but we already have seen this screen. Here we can open the web page and try this for free. If we already have the account, we can open and log in to it. And also we can go to frequently asked questions on the web if we don't want to type those questions in the chatbot. So chatbot also accepts any questions related how the Netsfere chatbot should be used, and it could be the question as general as what is Netsfere? And it will reply with some text or some as specific as how to add user. In this case, the chatbot needs additional information because the user can be added manually by importing the file or by synchronizing with Active Directory. So we have to provide additional information, and let's say I answer manually. Then the chatbot will give us the 5 steps how to add the user manually. Let me try another specific question, how to find the conversation in case we are involved in many conversations using Netsfere. And then the chatbot answers with some plain text. Also, we can try some very specific questions. Who is CEO? And the chatbot will show us this information even with the picture, with the link, that we can see more details on the web. And of course, whoever will be using the chatbot, I'm sure will try any very simple generic question to try how the chatbot is answering. And right now I will try to use the question like, how are you? And or the question, are you real? And the chatbot has answer for that. Because if we type the question which chatbot will not be able to answer, then it will go back to that initial invitation screen with different text, sorry. Can you say that again? And we have again the menu. So in this case, I think that this is the end of this presentation, and I can say bye, and the chatbot will respond to it. Thank you very much.